Hello, special shout out. Thank you, Anthony, for having me on your channel. My name is Nate. They call me Neo Fire Nate. I'm a flow artist from Cleveland, Ohio, here in the USA. And today I'm going to be showing you how to wrist wrap flowers. For you guys who don't know what flowers are, they're pretty much a series of circles that you can make shapes out of. In this instance right here, for example, I'm going to be rotating and you trace a triangle. Kind of makes a clover if you look at the trails. So I'm going to be showing you how to wrist wrap while making those shapes. It sounds crazy, but bear with me, it's actually pretty simple. Today's wrist wrap flower, I'm going to be going over an in-spin flower. Traditionally a poi move, but we're going to add wrist wraps to it and give it that nunchuck dynamic. So in order to do this move, you're going to need to be able to at least be okay at butterflying here. Or at least this motion to where you can put them together, separate them. Again, you don't need to be perfect at it because we're going to be in motion this whole time. Alright, so I'm going to go over the regular version. My left arm is going to be up and my right arm is going to be down. And you're going to be spinning them. It's all in the name, in spin. So think, you're going to be spinning them in like this. If you were looking over my shoulder, I was standing the other way, it would look like this. You want them going at the same time. So we're going to start up here. You can get your bearings here though if you need to, get them timed. So now my left arm is going to be up and my right arm is going to be down. I'm going to cross it over onto my right and then cross it over onto my left. And I'll show you. Again, this is the regular version. I'm going to cross, cross. So when I'm crossing over to my right, whatever arm is up top and is crossing over is going to be slightly in front of the bottom. So now my right arm is up, left arm's down. When I cross, as I cross and my right arm is coming down, it's going to be slightly in front. So that way they don't collide. So, start this over. Left arm is up, right arm is down. I'm going to cross and cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can time them out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you get comfortable with that, you can start adding your wrist wraps. You can start wrist wrapping as soon as your arm is, either arm is on top. And it'll look like this. Wrist wrap, cross. Wrist wrap, cross. Had a little collision there. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a view over the shoulder here. Again, left arm is up, right arm is down. I'm going to time them out, make sure I'm level. Left arm up, right arm down. I'm going to wrist wrap, cross. And it gives it that unique chuck dynamic. So left arm is up, right arm's down. Wrist wrap, cross. Wrist wrap, cross. Again, you can start it off regular. You don't have to go straight in the wrist wraps if it's too difficult. Cross. Cross. And this makes a circle, top and bottom. You make your circle over here, and it'll make a unique in-spin flower, incorporating wrist wraps. I hope I made this easy enough to understand. Again, special thanks to Anthony. Thank you for having me on the show, and I hope you guys can make use of these.